Next, we will discuss how to describe the behavior of logarithmic functions using the language of limits. Let's recall the properties of logarithmic functions with the base that is greater than 1. All graphs of such functions have distinct and recognizable patterns on the left and the right that we described with the following limit statements. Let's recall the properties of logarithmic functions with the base that is between 0 and 1. All graphs of such functions have distinct and recognizable patterns on the left and the right that we described with the following limit statements. In summary, we add the following limits to our toolbox of limit statements, which can be intuitively remembered and applied in the following way. We discussed how to describe the behavior of logarithmic functions using the language of limits.